Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to edit or change your birthday on the Facebook Messenger app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Messenger, select the menu icon in the bottom right corner, and then select the settings gear button near the top left. Scroll down on this page underneath where it says Account Center, select where it says Personal Details. Scroll down underneath account settings and you want to select where it says personal details versus birthday. Click inside this field. You can go ahead and edit or change your birthday. I believe you can do it up to 2 times every 14 days, I think. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.